What if I told you that eating dessert every day could actually improve your relationship with food? Yep, indulging in a daily treat might just be the key to healthier, happier eating habits. I know. It sounds almost too good to be true, but stay with me because I've got some delightful insights that might make you rethink that guilty pleasure. Welcome back to Food Fact Odyssey. And let's be honest for a minute, how many of us savor that slice of cake or those cookies, only to feel a little bit guilty afterward? We've all been there, right? We're taught that desserts are indulgences, meant for special occasions or earned after a long day. But what if this guilt is unnecessary? For years, desserts have been labeled the villains of the food world. High in sugar, loaded with calories. Classic dessert stereotypes. But here's the thing, not all desserts are the same. And in moderation, they can offer incredible benefits. Ready to break down a few myths? Let's bust a myth right off the bat. We don't actually need to earn our desserts or save them for just special occasions. Research shows that regular, moderate dessert consumption can be part of a balanced diet and may even boost our happiness. Here's a little science to back that up. Did you know that foods like dark chocolate and berries contain flavonoids? These are powerful antioxidants that can improve mood and reduce stress. Yes, science is literally telling us to go ahead and enjoy a bit of chocolate. And honey? Studies suggest that moderate honey consumption may actually improve sleep quality and ease anxiety. Dessert with health benefits? Now that's sweet. You know, this topic brings back one of my favorite memories. I used to be really strict with myself about desserts, only letting myself have them on weekends. But one evening I was visiting my grandma, who's an incredible baker. She just made her famous peach cobbler, warm, golden, and just perfect. I tried to say, oh, I'll save it for the weekend, and she just laughed, saying, dessert isn't just for special days, it's for every day. That moment changed everything. It wasn't just about the cobbler, it was about letting go and enjoying the moment. Since then, I've made room for dessert whenever I want, and I actually find myself savoring it so much more. And that's the thing. Desserts aren't just about physical satisfaction. They bring real emotional and social benefits. Think about it. How many of our happiest memories involve sharing a dessert with the people we love? There's a reason for that. Studies show that sharing meals, including dessert, can increase our feelings of connection, reduce loneliness, and even boost our overall mood. So, that slice of cake you share? It's feeding your relationships and your soul. I will leave a link to the studies in the description if you want to read it. But let's continue. Maybe the most surprising benefit of daily dessert is that it can actually help change our relationship with food. Allowing ourselves a little treat sends our brain a powerful message that we deserve pleasure and can trust ourselves to make balanced choices. So next time you're craving that slice of cake, remember, dessert is not the enemy. It's a way to bring joy, pleasure, and connection into our lives. And yes, these are real benefits. So let's recap. Daily dessert, when done right, can bring some amazing perks, a better mood, deeper social connections, and even a healthier relationship with food. That's not too bad, right? So go ahead and treat yourself. Let me know in the comments, what's your all-time favorite dessert? Is it a classic like chocolate cake or something unique? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more delicious insights. Join the community, and let's continue exploring the wonderful world of food together. See you at the next one. Happy indulging!